Welcome back to my hike across Scotland. We are just finishing the John Muir Way right now. Later we're going to be catching up with the West Highland Way, and then welcome back to Scotland. Look at that Loch Lomond, and that's all the natural park area, national park area. That's what I'm trying to say. This is a completely different hike. We just haven't had a hike like this. I've loved it. There is some cement coming out of Belloch, going uphill, and quickly turns into trail. And if you can see, kind of straight ahead, we got more clear cutting. So this is a country that still does, some clear cutting, but there's definitely land management practices. They're replanting. So probably another generation before they get this to the more acceptable levels. But in the meantime, at least there's something. Wow. Oh boy, that is just gorgeous. And what's fascinating right now is, to the left, we can't see it because the pines, but just skirting along the edge of this next hill here, you can see the Clyde and Helensburgh. So it's all within reach. Oh, look at that. All right, good time to turn on the camera. Use your 360, download your high resolution version, because this is pretty darn good. Straight ahead, you can't see it, unfortunately can't see it, but is Ben Lomond, and that is one of the Munros, one of the high mountains here, one of the 140 some odd high mountains that they have here in Scotland. And people go around the country climbing them, just like the 14ers in Colorado. Our first look at Helensburgh. If you can see, it's right, there's water right down there in the valley, and that is the Clyde. And the land smooths out as you look west. Pretty soon it gets so smooth it becomes the ocean. Whew! And this is definitely land management here.